Hello children, myself Shubhaya Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue with chapter 4 polynomials. So in polynomials, some algebraic identities we have to use. These are all algebraic identities. Identities means for these variables, we have used here x and y variable. If you substitute any value for x and y, you are going to get LHS side is equal to RHS side. So these identities are true for all the values. So we are going to say these are all identities. There are 8 identities in this polynomials. We are going to use these identities to solve. Here which are those? First identity, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second identity, x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ad. Up to here you have learned maybe up to 9th standard, you know all these identities. Here this also one of the identity, x plus y plus z whole square. In 8th standard you have learned these 4 identities. In 9th standard now extra. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So you have to remember all these identities. This is 6th identity, that is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Children, you learn this. If you multiply this 3xy into x, 3x square y, it becomes 3xy into y, 3xy square. So if after simplification of these two, so if you multiply these two, you are going to get this. Sometimes the given question may be in this form. So if you know this, you can convert in this form by multiplying these two. Better you learn this. After simplification, you are going to get this. So in the same way, when sign changes, this is 7th identity. That is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So after multiplication of this with this term, minus into plus minus 3xy into x, 3x square y, minus into minus plus 3xy into y, 3xy square. So this is also one of the identity. Another one identity, 8th identity, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. These are the 8 identities are there. So we are going to use these identities to solve this exercise. Children, write down. Children, 4.5 exercise, heading, first main heading is use suitable identities to find the following products. So first question is in this manner, that is x plus 4 into x plus 10. So this is according to which identity it is? It is according to identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to what? You know now already. You can write identity x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is one of the identity. Product of this, we have to use this identity for this pattern of question. You observe this pattern, say first term is same and the second term is different. So we have to use according to the question pattern, which identity you have to use it, you have to think and you have to use that identity. This question is in this pattern, so I am using this identity. Now you write it in place of this x plus 4, x plus 10. So if you will observe, if you will compare with this, in place of x, x is there. Okay children, now you substitute in place of x, x only is there. In place of a, 4 is there. In place of b, 10 is there. Substitute and simplify. So x square plus a value is 4 plus b value is 10. The value of x is x only. Simplify. You substitute the values and simplify and get the answer. X square plus 14x plus 40. So this is the way of finding the product by using identity. Product of these two is nothing but this one, children. Okay, in the same manner, another one is there, that is x plus 8 into x minus 10. So now if I use it the same identity, it becomes then x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay children, substitute in place of x, x only is there. In place of a, 8 is there. In place of b, minus 10 is there. So if I substitute no, then it will become x square plus 8 minus 10 x plus 8 into minus 10. So if I substitute x square minus 2x, then minus 80. So it becomes x square minus 2x minus 80. Children, copy down. So you have to understand which identity you have to use it and you have to use and you have to solve. Okay children, copy down this. Hello children, now I am going to continue. Third question, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. I can find out these two binomials product by using identity. You observe this question. So when you observe this question, you come to know these two terms are there according to this identity. If LHS side is in this manner, if I write it RHS side, that is nothing but product of those two binomials. So now I am going to write this identity. We have to use this identity now. When after observing the question, we come to know which identity you have to use it. Okay children. Now you write the question below this. Below this 3x plus 4, below this 3x minus 5. If you compare in place of x, here 3x is there. So x value 3x, a value 4, b value minus 5. Compare the given question with the identity LHS side. Then you write the values of x, a, b. And RHS side, in place of RHS side, you substitute those values. So x value is 3x, 3x whole square, plus a value is 4. B value is minus 5. Minus 5 means minus into plus minus 5 it becomes. So I have written after simplification only. The value of x is 3x. Be careful. In place of x you have to write it 3x. Then plus 4 into minus 5. So the value of a is 4 and the value of b is minus 5. Substitute and simplify now. So 3 square is 9. X square plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x. I have multiplied these two. After simplification of this, I am going to get minus 1. Minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x. Minus into plus minus 4 5s are 20. Then you simplify and write it once again. Minus into plus minus 9x square minus 3x minus 20. This is a product by using identity children. Write down. Children, fourth question is in this type. Y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. If you observe this question, no, it is according to this identity. See the same value xx, xx plus minus y value is same. So if the terms are in this manner, then you can use this identity. According to this LHS side of this identity, this question pattern is there. So if to find out the product of these two, already they found the product and they have done identity, that is after multiplication of these two we are going to get x square minus y square. So if I use this identity, I can find out this product of these two by using this identity. Now substitute the values. In place of x, y square is there. In place of y, 3 by 2 is there. So here in place of x you substitute y square. X value is y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. After simplification you are going to get y to the power 2 2s are 4. In power of exponents, you have to multiply the powers. 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So in this manner, by using this identity, we can find out the product of these two terms if the terms are in this type. If the terms are in this type, you can use this identity and you can find out product directly. Okay children, write down. Now question is this one, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. This is also according to this identity, x minus y into x plus y. Product, it may be first minus next plus, or first plus next minus. So according to this identity, this question is there. So to find out this product, I can use this identity and directly I will get the identity product. So if I substitute the given values, in place of x 3 is there, in place of y 2x is there. If I substitute x value as 3 and y value as 2x in place of x and y, I will get the product directly by using this identity as 9 minus 4x square. 3 square is 9, 2x whole square is 4x square. Okay children, write down. Children, see this question second main. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly, because in this question only numbers are there. So when you observe this multiplication sign, you will think we have to multiply directly, but actually they give without multiplying directly. So without multiplying directly means I can use identity to find out the product. So 103 I can write it as 100 plus 3, value is not going to change. 107 I can write it as 100 plus 7, value is not going to change. Now if you observe, this question is in this pattern now, x plus a into x plus b. So according to this identity, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So a value is 3 and the b value is 7. X value is 100. 100 square, 3 plus 7, substitute the values and simplify. 7 3s are, sorry, here 7 3s are 21 it becomes. Then 21 here. So here the value it becomes 2 1. So if you will simplify, you are going to get, after simplification you will get, you add all these, so you will get in this manner. This is the answer. Okay children, write down. So substitute the value of x value as 100, a value as 3 and the b value as 7, and simplify, you will get the answer as 11,021. Okay children, write down. Children, this product 95 into 96, I can write it as 95 as 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4. So I can use this identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So substitute the values. X value will get it, if I compare with the question, x value 100, a value is minus 5, b value is minus 4. Substitute in place of x, a and b values and simplify, you will get here 100 square is 10,000, minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9, into 100 minus 900, minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20, simplify, then you will get 9,120 children. So write down. See now this third question is in this pattern, 104 into 96. You have to multiply and you have to find out the product without multiplying directly. So you can use identity to find out the product. So I can write this 104 as 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. So the value is not going to change, but we can write it in this manner. Now this question, it is according to this identity. You observe LHS side, in place of x 100 is there, in place of y 4 is there. So I can use this identity, that is x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So children, I can substitute the values in place of x and y, the value, x value as 100 and y value as 4. So 100 square is 10,000 and 4 square is 16. If I subtract, then I am going to get 9,984. Okay children, practice daily maths.